Thank you for choosing a CFM Harris gas log set, the most popular log set in America. Your new gas log set is convenient, economical, and environmentally friendly. When properly installed, your set will give you many years of safe, reliable service and enjoyment. This video will show you the steps needed to safely install and operate CFM Harris vented gas log systems. This tape is intended to augment but not replace your owner's manual. Be sure to read and follow all instructions in your owner's manual. Installation should be performed by a qualified installer, service agency, company, or gas supplier experienced with this type of gas appliance. To begin, review the parts list in your installation manual to familiarize yourself with all components. Once you are comfortable that everything is in order, you are ready for your installation. The first step is to prepare the fireplace. The following checklist will assist you. You must have a wood-burning fireplace with a vented flue. Make sure your firebox meets the minimum size dimensions listed in the manual. The gas inlet must be on the right side of the fireplace. If it is not, a gas line will have to be run to the right side. See your instruction manual for details. Your fireplace must also have a manual gas supply valve. Your gas log set comes factory set for use with natural gas. If you are burning propane gas, you will need to purchase and install a CFM Harris Safety Pilot Kit. Verify that the gas line inlet pressure meets the specifications shown in your owner's manual. Your fireplace must have a wire mesh screen, which must remain closed while your log set is in operation. If a glass door is installed, the doors must remain open during operation. Finally, you should thoroughly clean the fireplace of all loose debris and ashes. If an ash cleanout cover is present, it should be completely closed. Remove any loose debris from the walls of the fireplace with a wire brush. To assemble your log set, you will need these tools: an 8-inch crescent wrench, pipe thread sealant compound or Teflon tape, and a 12-inch pipe wrench or channel lock pliers. Begin by installing the damper clamp. This clamp attaches to the damper plate and ensures that the damper will not accidentally close while your set is in operation. Install the clamp onto the edge of the damper plate. Attach by securing the bolt with an adjustable wrench. Remember, you must keep your damper fully open when operating your vented gas log set. To check your vent for proper drafting, light a tightly rolled newspaper on one end and place it at the inside front edge of the fireplace. Observe the smoke and ensure that it is being drawn up the chimney. This video covers the general installation steps for several different models of Radco certified gas log sets, as well as those certified with CSA International. All Radco log sets are shipped for use with natural gas. If you are burning propane gas, you must purchase a separate safety pilot kit which contains all the components needed for conversion to propane. Please refer to the Safety Pilot Kit's owner's manual for detailed conversion and operating instructions. All log sets certified by CSA International are shipped for use with natural gas, with all the components for conversion to propane included in the box. Please refer to your owner's manual for detailed gas conversion and operating instructions. Before we begin installation, remember that gas can be hazardous unless proper safety procedures are followed. If you smell gas at any time, do not strike a match or operate a lighter. Do not touch any electrical switch or use your phone. Instead, leave the area immediately and call your gas supplier from a neighbor's phone. If you cannot reach the gas company, call the fire department. To begin burner installation, you will attach the gas line inlet fitting to the fireplace gas line. Teflon tape or pipe sealant must be used for this connection. Tighten using an adjustable wrench. Next, attach the flexible gas line to the burner pan inlet fitting and tighten with an adjustable wrench. Do not put Teflon tape or pipe sealant on this connection. Now, place the burner pan approximately 5 inches from the back wall of the fireplace and center from right to left. Bend the flexible gas line into position and thread the free end onto the fireplace inlet fitting. No Teflon tape or pipe sealant should be used on this connection. Tighten with an adjustable wrench. Once you have made these connections, you must check them for leaks. Create a mixture of equal parts soap and water. Apply to all the joints of the pipe fittings from the gas supply pipe to the burner. Turn on the gas supply valve for no longer than 3 to 5 seconds. If bubbles appear in the soap solution applied to the joints, there is a leak. Turn off the gas supply valve and tighten those fittings. Repeat the leak testing procedure until all the joints are gas tight. It is now time to add the pan material. Open the bag of vermiculite and spread it evenly across the burner pan. You may overflow the front and sides of the burner pan if you prefer. Next, open the bag of glowing embers and place them on top of the vermiculite. Be sure to separate the glowing embers into small pieces in order to maximize the glowing ember bed effect. Some log sets are shipped with grate risers designed to elevate the rear log. If your set is equipped with grate risers, place them on the back of the grate at this time. Place the grate over the burner pan against the back wall of the fireplace. The front of the burner pan should be approximately even with the front legs of the grate. Place the smaller of the 2 bottom logs on the rear of the grate. Be sure to place the log as far back as possible. Place the larger bottom log on the front of the grate, keeping as much space as possible between the front and back logs. Place the smaller top logs diagonally on top of the bottom logs. Try to leave as much space as possible between the logs. You are now ready to light your fire. If you are burning gas with a safety pilot kit, refer to your owner's manual for specific lighting instructions. For all other kits, follow these steps. Make sure the gas shutoff valve is off and wait 5 minutes to clear out any gas. Then, light a match and lay it on top of the pan material about 2 inches from the end of the supply side of the pan. Next, slowly turn the gas shutoff valve on until the burner ignites. If the burner does not light within 10 seconds with the match burning, then turn the shutoff valve off and repeat the ignition steps after waiting 5 minutes for the gas to clear. Be aware when you are lighting the burner that flames may flare up when the burner is ignited, so keep your hands and face away from the firebox. To adjust the height of the fire, rotate the manual gas valve clockwise to turn down the flames and counterclockwise to increase the flames. To turn the gas log set off, rotate the manual gas valve clockwise to the off position. The first time you use your unit, ignite only a 2-inch flame for the first 30 minutes. Raise the flames 2 inches every half hour. This will ensure proper curing of the logs. During the 2 to 3 hour break-in period, you may notice an odor as the various water-based paints used on the set cure. This is normal and temporary. However, you may want to ventilate the room during this time. If you have any difficulty setting up or operating your gas log unit, refer to the troubleshooting section of your owner's manual or call the toll-free customer service center at 1-800-944-8982. To keep your log set in top working condition, remember these important rules. Only operate the unit with the damper and glass doors fully open and the mesh screen closed. Keep the set clear of combustible materials, gasoline, and other flammable vapors and liquids. Do not burn paper or wood on the unit. Do not cook on it. Do not use fireplace blowers or fans when the set is on. And most importantly, if you smell gas, turn off the gas valve, leave the house, and call your gas company or fire department. Also, you should have your local gas professional inspect and test your log set once a year. We are confident you will enjoy your new CFM Harris gas log set for many years to come. We also invite you to consider our other fine products, including glass fire screens, handcrafted mantles, fireplace surrounds, and unvented gas log sets. For more details, see your nearest CFM Harris retailer or contact our toll-free customer service center at 1-800-944-8982. Thank you for watching this video and for choosing CFM Harris.